you's a slingshot beginner? Do you's want to be an expert shooter one day? Well, Gina, tell Vito the baby is his. How'd that get in there? Here's some tips to help you improve your slingshot shooting. Hey guys, if you're like me, you've watched those jaw-dropping slingshot videos on YouTube and thought, I'd love to shoot a baby aspirin off a light bulb someday. Well, guess what? Even incredible shooters like Chuck and Steele started out just like us, as beginners. Today, I'm going to show you some valuable tips that have helped me improve my slingshot skills. Ready to take your aim to the next level? Nice. Let's dive in. I got these tips from an instructor in a video course I took. Here's tip number 1. Visualize your goals and progress regularly. Let me ask you, why did you first pick up a slingshot? For most of us, it's that satisfying feeling of hitting things with stuff. Think about it. We use bats to hit baseballs, kick soccer balls with our feet, and hit golf balls with clubs. We're guys. It's in our nature to hit stuff. Slingshots give us the chance to hit targets we can't reach. How cool is that? But here's the kicker. We do love a challenge. So ask yourself, what's your ultimate goal with a slingshot? Visualize it, keep it in your mind, and use it as motivation. Cool. The next tip is really practical. Set small, reachable goals. I get it, those trick shot videos can be tempting to replicate, but trying to copy the big leagues can lead to quick disappointment. Instead, begin with a big target, like a dinner-sized paper plate. Shoot at it till you can hit it 80% of the time. Then drop down to a smaller plate, and then put a 4-inch sticker on it, and keep going. Achieving these small goals provides a satisfying sense of progress. The next tip is game changer. Master the fundamentals before advancing. Ever notice how expert shooters stand, draw the pouch, and release consistently? It's like clockwork. As beginners, it's great to explore different styles, but once you've found what works, repeat it consistently. I don't move on to my next goal until I hit that 80% consistency mark. Confidence, not hope, should be your driving force. I decided to give you a bonus tip after tip number 4, so stick around. And here's tip number 4. Celebrate milestones and achievements along the way. By the time you've mastered those fundamental skills and started your journey towards expert status, you've put in a lot of effort. When you hit that next goal, celebrate it. We all celebrate differently. Me? Well, I'm a thrifty guy. I hate spending money that's unnecessary, but when I achieve a goal, I allow myself to indulge in something I want but don't need. Sometimes it's something as simple as a cool pair of dollar store sunglasses. Sometimes it's even free, like hitting that like button on a Slingshot video. Thanks for that. The important thing to remember is to acknowledge your achievement and reward yourself for it. I promised you a bonus tip, and here it is, the cherry on top. A bonus tip is very important, so pay attention. Always remember and never forget that watching this video over here will give you more tips on upping your slingshot game. So be one of the boys and hit it with something.